Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I am a small business owner that has been utilizing MUNBYN little labels like these to really enhance my products and my packaging for my buyers. I've got a little sticker that I like putting on the outside of the packaging to get them excited for their product, and one that reminds them to give me a review. I really love that these labels are kind of like an endless possibility situation. So if you're not a small business owner, of course you could use these to maybe organize things around your home, label things, even make little notes for friends and stuff and just stick them on, like, I don't know, their bags or something. I like that they are really easy to use. I was able to easily adjust the settings to my printer and print these out of my MUNBYN printer, but I also have a different brand and it worked perfectly with the different brand as well. So I like that they are universal depending on whatever thermal label printer you have. I have seriously just loved having these. They're so much fun. It gets really addictive to create your own little labels, so I will warn you about that. But as soon as you start, you're going to understand why I recommend these so much to you. I've had no issues with them jamming. The label adhesive is really, really nice and strong. And I just all around really love this product and cannot recommend it enough. So with that said, I highly recommend this, and that is my point of view.